Knuckles, look. Bunnies.
They're so cute.
They sure are. Hey, who's that over there? I don't know, but that's Mickey. Wow. Ooh, wee! Look at those sound boxes. Those must be recordable ones too, Sprinter. Want to try one? Oh, sure. Well, here's one. Thanks. What do we do with it? Well, can I say something to it or sing to it? Sure, Sprinter. Sing to it. Okay. I wanna hold you when I'm not supposed to. When I'm lying close to someone else, you're stuck. Wait a second.
I wanna hold you when I'm not supposed to.
Oh,
When I'm
Sprinter.
lying close
Gee, thanks a lot, Mikayla. What? Knuckles.
Nice try, Sprinter. Now it's my turn.
Knuckles.
Remember me, though I have to say goodbye. Remember me, don't let it make you cry.
What? That's impossible.
Ha ha.
Remember me, though I have to say goodbye.
No, that's really impossible. How dare you?
Well, how dare you?
Boys. Oh. Sprinter, Knuckles, what are you two thinking? Well, I'm the best singer, better than Knuckles.
That's not true. Sprinter's not the only singer better than me.
I do too.
Did not.
Did too.
Did not. Did too. Did not.
Oh, boys, enough arguing already. Remember? You boys are friends, remember? Just like I'm friends with you two. Really?
Seriously? Puppy! Mikayla, where'd you get that from? Oh,
Are we ready to make a puppy today?
hang
I have
on.
no idea what
Hey,
she's doing.
Sprinter! How about we share some voices together? You know we are singing voices together.
Really? Okay, now we feel better now.
Great!
Okay, boys.
Sorry.
Let's see, which one is
She has
that?
autism.
Sprinters?
She has to go through it. If you interrupt it,
Or
it's not pretty.
Knuckles?
I do my voice. I do remember me.
Perfect. That's amazing. I won't do my song, but Knuckles' song now. Awesome. All right, let's do it together.
Hooray! We're gonna do my song on a puppy!
Are we doing the puppy?
If you want to do your
Yeah.
sound, there's
Now
lots.
that's what I'm talking about.
Hey,